Maristela with my space reclaimed. Well, my snow beast, Mimi, she's a Pyrenees, she's quite large. She loves sleeping in her closet underneath my clothes. So I found out that I was battling each day, grappling with what should I wear today, because honestly, all my clothes were covered in her fur. And it was not that they were dirty, they were just covered in fur. So I had to lint roll them every time before getting dressed. A few weeks back, my husband and I decided to take everything out of the closet and deep clean the space. And then I had to wash all my clothes. There were like 10 loads of clothes. That was harsh. How are we going to prevent this from happening again? Well, we needed to take her out of the closet, prevent that from happening. But I will not open that door for her. Anyway, we were trying to keep it closed, but sometimes we forget. So I decided, well, bingo, I will switch the hinges of the door. There are hinges that close the door for you. I don't know, you know it. And let me tell you, it's incredibly easy to switch those yourself. One at a time, you don't have to take the door down or anything.